This video will show you where to find the partner signup URL, how to customize the signup form, and how to manage partner applications and email verifications. You can share the partner signup URL with your applicants so they can easily apply to be your partner or affiliate. To locate it, navigate to the Control Center and Platform Configurations. Under the Links tab, you will find useful links including the partner signup URL. To customize the partner signup URL, navigate to the Control Center, Platform Configurations, and under the General tab, refer to the partner signup card and click Edit. You will see three tabs: General Fields. You will see three tabs: General, Fields, and Auto Approval. Let's review each tab now. The General tab offers the following options. You can use the external signup URL to use a signup page that you are hosting and managing outside of Everflow, instead of the built-in customizable form we are providing. Customize Header allows you to add custom HTML header to the signup page. This will be displayed at the top of the partner signup page. Customize Confirmation allows you to use HTML to create customized message on the confirmation page, which will be displayed after the Submit Application button is clicked. Now we will move on to the Fields tab. The Fields tab is where you can customize the content inside your signup page. You can decide which fields are visible or required by using the toggles. Some fields are self-explanatory, such as legal entity, time zone, currency, phone number, tax ID or VAT, or social security number. Let's go over those that may require a bit of explanation. Company, individual, website name is what will be shown as the partner's name in Everflow. When the required toggle is off, Everflow will use the provided first and last name of the applicant to create the partner name. This field can also be customized under Company, Individual Website, Name, Labels. Website, social media asks for any of the channels the applicant has that can show their ability as a partner. Language determines the default language that will be used in the partner UI once the applicant is accepted. Currently, only English and Spanish are available. Making billing details visible will require your applicants to select one of the available options configured in the default billing settings as covered in another video. This includes tax ID, VAT, or social security number and payment method. Promotional information, when enabled, will ask the applicants to provide more details on how and where they will be promoting your offers, such as promotion method, property type, and promoting countries. Enabling Everflow terms will ask the applicants to agree to the standard Everflow service terms. Under Terms and Conditions, you can customize the acceptance message. Everflow term acceptance label will be displayed under the Everflow terms field if enabled, with a checkbox to indicate that the partner has read and acknowledged the terms. Network term acceptance label will be displayed under Network Level Terms and Conditions, which can be managed under Configuration, Partner Portal, Terms and Conditions. Additional information is where you can request applicants to share their referral code, additional promotional text, or any information that was not covered in the platform fields. The referral code field allows the applicants to enter a specific value that indicates how they found the application. The field will auto-populate if a user-specific sign-up link was used by the applicant. The referral code entered will reflect on the applicant upon creation. For example, Partner A may share their partner referral link or referral code with Partner B, which then lists Partner A as a referrer to Partner B when created. Describe the sites and methods used to advertise. Making this field visible provides a text box where partners can describe how your offers will be promoted in more detail. Lastly, you can add different types of additional custom fields. For example, you may add a checkbox field for partners to select a range of experience they have in a given industry. A preview of the field will populate below the custom field, allowing you to view your new field before saving. At the very bottom of the Fields tab is Additional Sections. Additional sections allow you to house your custom fields by grouping multiple fields. For instance, you may request more information on social profiles the applicant has by adding more than one custom field. The last tab is Auto Approval. This feature allows applicants who sign up through a partner sign-up link to be automatically approved once their email has been successfully verified. Email verification for partners, which can be managed under Control Center Configuration, must be enabled to utilize this feature. When disabled, applicants who sign up will be listed under the Partners Pending tab until they are approved or rejected. By enabling it, you can also select the offers you'd like to expose once they are approved. Once all configuration is done, click Save to apply the changes. You can now locate your partner sign-up links, customize the sign-up page, and manage partner applications.